Hey everybody, in this video I'm continuing my work on the stone wall, and today I'll show you how I added the grout. This is a messy project, so make sure you protect your floor with newspaper, cardboard, or something that the grout can fall on. I covered the window space with blue painter's tape to keep the grout from falling into the house, and then I put tape along the edges where I didn't want the grout to go. I also covered up the front porch with some cardstock to protect it. The grout I'm using is from Menards, and it's called Ready to Use Grout, which I love because there's nothing to mix. It's just ready to go. Other items that you'll need for this project is a tub or bucket of water and a sponge to wipe away the excess grout, some small paintbrushes to wipe away the grout in tighter places, and some rags. The latex gloves are optional. First, I'll let you know right now, this is more of a video on how not to grout, and I'll explain. First, I've only ever grouted small surfaces before, and when you're doing a small surface, it's easy to put on the grout and wipe it off quickly before it sets, and then you're done. I still had that mindset when doing this wall, so as you can see, I'm putting grout on the entire surface, and I'm also putting it on too thick. What I should have done is put the grout on in small sections, starting at the top, wipe off the excess, and then move on to another section and work my way down the wall. To wipe off the grout, use a damp sponge and gently wipe away the grout. Do not scrub because you can potentially scrub off the texture of the stones. Because I put the grout on so thick, it took a long time to wipe off, but I was able to do it before it set. I'm using a paper towel to blot the excess water off the stones, and I did that over the entire wall. And although you can't tell in the video, I was getting a little nervous that the grout would set, which is why I decided to remove the painter's tape. I continued to blot the excess water with a dry rag and remove some bits of the grout that ended up on the other wall. In the end, I'm happy with the results, but it could have been a more relaxing process if I just did it in small sections. So I hope my mistake is helpful for you, and now I'm wiser to the process myself. Hit the like button and subscribe so you'll know when I post again. Thank you for watching.